It's easy to spend hours creating something on a computer. How do you get it out from computer? Use printer. So let's discuss how to choose right printer for you. Step 1. Decide what you are planning to do with your printer. If you just want to get letters down on paper or print the occasional website, you will probably want to go with an Inject printer. That is the one that is create images propelling tiny drops of ink on paper. Though many have extra features that push up the cost and the ink cartridges can be pricey. Step 2. If you want to print large number of copies, you are writing novel or you are a student printing assignments, endless essays, the number of pages can be quickly add up. In that case, we would recommend you a laser printer, which works in a similar way to photocopier. The initial cost is a bit higher than Inject printer, but it will save a lot of money in ink costs as the toner have to be replaced less far frequently. Step 3. You might want to get an all-in-one printer that combines a scanner, a photocopier, plus sometimes fax machines. With an ordinary Inject or laser printer, they have become so much popular nowadays that can be difficult to buy a printer without all of these features. So this is how you can choose right printer for you.